In this video, we're going to look at equations that are formed from angles in parallel lines. So in this first one here, you should be able to see that we can make a Z here. And therefore, 4x plus 3 is alternate angles with 111. So if I label this one 1 and 2, we can say that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So subbing in what angle 1 is, well, angle 1 is 4x plus 3, and angle 2 is 111. Well, that's now an equation that we can just solve. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take away 3 from both sides. We're going to get 4x is equal to 108. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 4. So we need to do that division. We're going to get x is equal to 27. There's it solved. Let's look at this second example. Well, this time we haven't got a z, but we've got an f. So 53x and 58x minus 5 are corresponding angles. So again, let's label them. Let's label this one 1, this one 2. So we can say angle 1 is equal to angle 2. And angle 1 is 53x, so let's put that in, 53x. And angle 2 is 58x minus 5. Okay, we've got an equation to solve. So I need to get it so there is only one letter term. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take away 55x from both sides. What does that become? Well, 53x take away 55x is negative 5x. 58 take away 55x is nothing, so all I'm left with is that negative 5. So now I'm going to divide everything by negative 5. And if I do that, on the left-hand side, I get x, and negative 5 divided by negative 5 is 1. So my answer is x equals 1.